Hello, welcome to How to Win CompXM Top 10 Winning Tips to get the top result in the CompXM Proctor CompXM. If you have the Proctor CompXM, you can check this video, 10 videos to pass the Proctor CompXM with the top result. I give you top 10 winning tips, step-by-step guide for CompXM understanding to pass the Proctor CompXM with top result from 900 to 990. You can see the top result on the screen after 4 rounds, round 1, 2, 3, and 4, and get the top stop price of 186 and the top result 940, right? So this is video for lesson 1. You can check the 10 videos to see all the 10 lessons to pass the CompXM, even this is a Proctor exams. The first lesson is to check the industry condition report and understand the 4 segments and using the table 3, table 1, table 2, and table 3 and free Excel file. So this is the first start before you start CompXM. I show you the detail now. So in the CompXM, you will see the industry condition report. You will see the industry condition report here and also the inquiry report. So the first report you need to check is the industry condition report. It's very important, right? You have the 4 segments here, 4 product segments: trip, core, nano, elite, right? Trip, core, nano, elite, in that order. And trip is the lowest cost price, and then core, and then nano, and then elite, the top price. Each round we need to update the performance and size by reduce size, increase performance and reduce size. You see this here and differently. And then you get the performance perception map here, trip, core, nano, elite. And you have table 2 here, the 4 rounds. 4 round 1, 2, 3, 4 here, updated the performance and size each round. So the first thing, remember, do not just use table 2, you need to use table 2 combined with table 3, because if you use this number you cannot sell after a few rounds, right? 1 or 2 rounds. So you need to update the product by table 2 combined with table 3, and then you see that each round trip is okay, but core, nano, elite we need to update also. So using the table 2 and using the table 3 to update that. That's the first lesson you learn, right? So the first lesson is to check industry condition report. See the 4 segments, table 2, and also you see you can download the free Excel file like this to calculate the 4 rounds. Remember, the number is different from student to student, so do not copy the number. You need to update the number. This row start here, I mark it here. You can email to get the free Excel file and update that using the number from your game, right? From your game. And then you get this table for 4 rounds. So the first step is very important. If you do this, you pass 50% of the CompXM, right? So remember, lesson 1 is very important, right? 3 minutes of you, and then you can pass the CompXM, right? Check the industry condition report, see the 4 segments using table 1, 2, and table 3, and download and use the free start. If you do not know how to do, send the email to mbasim.fairich@gmail.com. I create the Excel file for you for your game for free, right? For your game for free, and then you can continue. So you see the top result here, right? Round 1, 2 investment, 3, 4 you go to the top, and then you see the top result, right? Top result of the game. So that's very important to see the lesson. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbasim.fairich@gmail.com, right? @gmail.com. You can get the free support for round 1 and round 2. For round 1 and quiz 2, free Excel file for 4 round and 5 quizzes. Send the email to mbasim.fairich@gmail.com, or you can get the free support to complete CompXM for 4 rounds. Send the email to mbahelp2002@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. Right? Check the other video for the next lesson.